Let's take a moment to express our gratitude to the kidneys, our silent superheroes. Amidst the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, they tirelessly paint to maintain our inner stability and keep us healthy. They are true champions who toil behind the scenes to keep us in tip-top shape. Even superheroes need a little boost sometimes, and our kidneys are no exception. Gone are the days of resorting to complicated detox plans or harsh treatments. It's time we take a gentler and more intensive approach that honors and nurtures our kidneys with the care they deserve. And what better way than to show yourself towards the abundant supply of Mother Nature's pantry? So get ready for a pleasant journey as we reveal 8 great drinks. So now it's no longer possible to tantalize your taste buds, but in addition, make your kidneys sing with joy and gratitude, thanking you for the smooth, loving care you provide approximately. However, please note that this video is for academic functions only. It is always recommended to seek the advice of a healthcare professional before taking any medication or exercising. Let's celebrate our kidneys and our unsung heroes and give them the popularity they deserve. Number 1. Watermelon juice. Watermelon isn't only a scrumptious and refreshing fruit to enjoy in the course of the summertime months, however, it additionally has severe fitness benefits. When mixed with mint and lime, it turns into a well-being potion that not most effective quenches your thirst, but also nourishes your body. The high water content material in watermelon makes it a high-quality choice for retaining your frame hydrated, even as pleasurable your candy teeth without adding any guilt. Mint adds a sparkling and invigorating flavor that perfectly balances the juicy sweetness of watermelon, at the same time as lime brings a zesty kick to the celebration. However, the advantages of this trio move beyond just taste. They're a powerhouse of nutrients that aid your usual fitness. Watermelon is wealthy in nutrients, minerals, and antioxidants that assist to maintain your kidneys wholesome and functioning well, even as additionally decreasing infection within the frame. Mint is understood to aid digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties, while lime is an amazing source of vitamin C, which reinforces your immune machine. Number 2. Dandelion Tea. Moving on to dandelion tea, this humble weed is filled with vitamins that are useful for our kidneys. Drinking tea made from dried organic dandelion or freshly plucked dandelion root can assist cleanse your kidneys and improve bile manufacturing, helping digestion. Cranberry juice is some other beverage which could help urinary tract fitness by way of combating off infections and flushing out excess calcium oxalates. If you concept beets have been just a tasty root vegetable, think again. Beets and their vibrant juices are full of betaine, which helps to modify urine acidity and prevent kidney stones. Coconut water, cucumber juice, and cherries are other tasty treats which could aid kidney health through maintaining your filters glad and healthful. In end, these liquids aren't best scrumptious, however additionally filled with vitamins that help your overall health. By incorporating them into your weight loss program, you can make certain that your kidneys are functioning optimally and your frame is well hydrated and nourished. Number 3. Pomegranate juice. Are you aware that pomegranate juice and seeds are rather powerful in preventing kidney stones? This is because they're wealthy in potassium, which facilitates to decrease the acidity of urine and save you kidney stone formation by acting as a superb astringent. Additionally, potassium has notable houses of preventing mineral crystallization, which in addition guarantees that kidney stones do not stand a threat. But it's no longer all. Pomegranate has more benefits to provide. It acts as a detoxifying agent, flushing out pollution and waste out of your kidneys, leaving them feeling refreshed and revitalized. So, subsequent time you devour a pomegranate or sip on its juice, be aware that you are not best treating yourself to a delicious treat, but additionally taking correct care of your kidneys. Number 4. Pineapple Coconut Hydration Potion. Now permits talk about the Pineapple Coconut Hydration Potion, a delightful drink that transports you to a tropical paradise. Pineapple isn't always only a fruit, it is a goldmine of bromelain, a paranormal enzyme that is extraordinary for digestion and decreases infection. When you mix your bromelain wealthy pineapple with the hydrating goodness of coconut water, it becomes a robust aggregate that advantages your kidneys. So, snatch some clean pineapple chunks, pour in that coconut water, and upload a splash of lime juice for an additional zing. With each sip of this fresh drink, you are not best treating yourself to a flavor of the tropics, however, also giving your kidneys a spa day they may not overlook. Number 5. Hibiscus tea. Now, allows delve into the enchanting international of hibiscus tea, which is well known for its notable ability to decrease blood pressure. However, it is also a wonderful ally in promoting kidney fitness. This tea is a mix of juicy strawberries, luscious blueberries, and tangy raspberries. All of that are rich in antioxidants. So, why now not treat yourself to a steaming cup of hibiscus tea and add a generous handful of those antioxidant wealthy berries? With each sip, you'll now not simplest bask in a burst of flavor, but also expand a gesture of care and appreciation to your hard-working kidneys. This colorful infusion works its magic by way of bolstering your kidney health and contributing for your usual nicely being, making each moment well worth savoring. Number 6. Green tea. Let's enhance a pitcher to inexperienced tea, the closing powerhouse of fitness. Green tea is widely recognized for its high-quality antioxidant homes, making it an excellent defend against pesky free radicals which can harm our kidneys. But why settle for mere safety when we can take matters to the following degree? Imagine a steaming cup of freshly brewed inexperienced tea infused with a subtle trace of cinnamon and a gentle drizzle of honey. It's like a heat include on your kidneys. The cinnamon adds a tantalizing highly spiced observe, at the same time as the honey affords sweetness, resulting in a harmonious fusion. It really is now not handiest comforting, however also fairly beneficial. So, brew yourself a pot of green tea, sprinkle in a dash of cinnamon, and generously drizzle in a few honey for right measure. With each sip of this revitalizing elixir, you are nourishing your kidneys, uplifting your spirits, and embracing a more fit, greater colorful version of yourself. Number 7. Turmeric Spice Delight. Let's add a golden touch of health on your life with turmeric. This respected spice has been celebrated for hundreds of years in conventional medicine for its numerous benefits. At its middle lies curcumin, the superhero compound that elevates turmeric beyond a trifling flavoring agent to a veritable powerhouse of anti-inflammatory goodness, specifically beneficial in your kidneys. But why restrict turmeric to the spice rack when we can flip it right into a comforting elixir that'll make your kidneys have a good time? Imagine a warm mug of almond milk, infused with the warmth of turmeric powder and embellished with a drizzle of honey. It's like a comforting hug on your inner well-being. With each sip of this soothing potion, you are treating your palate to a delightful flavor adventure and bestowing your kidneys the tender, loving care they deserve. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory prowess and antioxidant potency flawlessly shield towards oxidative stress, safeguarding your kidneys' energy and ensuring they remain in high circumstance. Number 8. Lemon Ginger Elixir. Let's kickstart your day with a zesty explosion of fitness, the Lemon Ginger Elixir. Picture vibrant lemons bursting with cleaning strength and fiery ginger, including a highly spiced kick at the same time as giving your digestion a gentle nudge. It's a dynamic duo that is approximately tantalizing your taste buds and giving your kidneys and immune gadget a far-wanted boost. Here's a way to whip up this fresh potion. Squeeze the juice of clean lemons into a glass of warm water, then grate a few ginger for an extra zing. Take a sip and experience the magic unfold as this refreshing elixir works its wonders from inside. With each sip of this zesty concoction, you are no longer simply beginning your day on a flavorful note. You are additionally giving your kidneys a bit love and boosting your immune system to tackle something comes your way. By incorporating those nourishing beverages into your day-by-day routine, you may efficaciously guide your kidney health in a natural and handy manner. Whether you prefer to revel in them as a morning kickstart, noon refresher, or alongside your meals, these beverages provide a scrumptious and clean manner to present your kidneys the eye they want. So, why not increase a glass on your kidney fitness, and cheers to a happier, healthier you.